how to report video on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically report a video on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to report a video on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and simply make sure to open the TikTok app like this. Once you launch the TikTok app, let's say there is a specific video that might be offensive to you and maybe you want to report it. All you need to do is just tap the little arrow icon, which is a share icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. And then here at the bottom, you'll find the option called reports. Now, in case you don't find this report button, you can scroll through other sections and then you'll most likely find it within those tabs. So all you need to do is tap on report. Now, I have nothing against this video, so I'm not really going to report it. I'm just going to show you a reason and a way to do it. You can select one of the reasons as to why you want to report it. Just select it, tap the submit button, and your report will be successfully made. And that is it for today's video on how you can report a video on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.